Good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson 3, A Friend for Millu. Look at the pictures of the animals below. So children, you can see here different kinds of animals. Some of these animals live in the forest. We call them wild animal. Among these animals, some of the animals that live in the forest, they are tiger, lion, giraffe and a monkey. So these animals are called wild animal. So we have to write here in the box W because this animal live in the forest and we call them wild animal. I hope so everyone got it. So we'll move to the next now. Some of them live with us in our homes or farms. They are our helpers. So children, the animals which live with us or in farms are sheep, dog, cat and a horse. So these animals are our helpers because they help us in various way. So we have to write here in the box age because these animals live with us in our house and we call them domestic animal. I hope so everyone had understood. So now let's read out the story of A Friend for Millu. Characters in the play: Millu the tiger, Jerry the giraffe, Tutti the crocodile, Chandu the elephant, Chimpu the monkey. So children, these are the names of animals given. They play the characters in this story. So let's read out. Millu lived in the forest. He was alone. He had no friends. He was sad. Then he saw Jerry the giraffe under a tall tree. Jerry was eating the leaves at the top of the tree. So children, you can see here in this picture the tiger and its name is Millu and the giraffe and its name is Jerry. So Millu the tiger lived in the forest. He is alone and had no friends. So he was very sad. So then he saw Jerry the giraffe under the tree eating the leaves of the tree. Millu, will you come and play with me and be my friend, Jerry? Jerry, I'm sorry I can't play with you just now. I'm hungry and I have to eat. Millu asked Jerry to play with him because he was alone. So then Jerry said, I'm sorry I can't play with you right now because I'm hungry and I have to eat. Millu was very sad. He walked on. As he was walking, he saw Tutti the crocodile. Tutti was swimming in the river. He was chasing a fish. Millu was very excited. So when Jerry is busy in eating the leaves of the tree and not agreed to play with him, so then he was very sad. He walked on and saw Tutti the crocodile. You can see here in this picture crocodile and its name is Tutti. Okay. So when he saw Tutti, he was swimming in the river and chasing a fish. By seeing this, he was so excited. Millu, hello Tutti. I am Millu and I live in the forest. Will you come and play with me and be my friend? Tutti, sorry Millu, I could not play with you just now. I'm too busy. I have to chase this fish. So Millu introduced himself by saying, hello Tutti, it's me Millu. I live in the forest. Will you be my friend and will you play with me? So then Tutti the crocodile said, I can't play with you right now because I'm busy in catching fish. Poor Millu walked along alone. Just then Chandu the elephant passed by. Chandu was pulling a big log of wood. So Then he walked along. Just then he saw Chandu the elephant was pulling a big log of wood. So children, you can see here in this picture. Millu, hello. Chandu, how nice to see you. Please Chandu, will you come and play with me and be my friend? So when Millu saw Chandu the elephant, he says, hello, how nice to see you. So please will you be my friend and play with me? Chandu, I'm sorry Millu, I have work to do. I have to take this log to the river. I can't play with you just now. So then Chandu said Millu that I'm sorry, I have work to do to take this log to the river, so I could not play with you right now. Poor Millu, no one would play with him. He sat under a tree and cried. Suddenly he heard a voice calling him, Millu, Millu. So children, when Jerry the giraffe, Tutti the crocodile and Chandu the elephant, they were busy in their own work and no one wants to play with him. So then poor Millu sat under the tree, you can see here in this picture, and cried. So suddenly he heard a voice calling him, Millu, Millu. Millu looked up and saw Chimpu the monkey. Chimpu was sitting on the tree. So when he heard his voice calling Millu, he looked up the tree. Then he saw Chimpu the monkey was sitting on the tree. Chimpu, why are you so sad, Millu? Why are you sitting alone and crying? Millu, no one will play with me. Jerry and Tutti and Chandu are all busy. I'm all alone. I don't have any friends. By seeing Millu that he is crying, Chimpu the monkey asked him that why he is crying and sitting alone without any friends. Then Millu the tiger said, no one wants to play with me. Jerry, Tutti and Chandu are all busy. I'm alone now and I don't have any friends. Chimpu, come, I'm not busy. I will play with you. I will teach you how to climb a tree. So then Chimpu the monkey said, come, I'm not busy. I will play with you and teach you how to climb a tree. Millu, Chimpu, will you really be my friend? I would love to climb trees. Millu said, really, will you be my friend Chimpu? I love to climb trees. Millu was happy. He smiled from year to year. At last he had a friend. Millu was very happy and he smiled from year to year. So children, do you know what is year? So you can see here in this picture, this is called year. Okay, so they smile with their ear and at the last Millu found a friend Chimpu and that is monkey. So children, I hope so everyone had enjoyed hearing this story. So this is a very interesting story. So read this story at least 4 or 5 times to understand more about this story. So thank you.